Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit Medical Uses of Radioisotopes. In this video, we will explore how radioisotopes are applied in medicine, from diagnosing diseases to supporting treatment. Discover how these remarkable elements play a vital role in modern healthcare and revolutionize patient care. The assignment requires answering all questions in the brief. It tests your knowledge, explanation, and calculation skills. Both descriptive and numerical questions are included. Diagrams must be clearly labeled and referenced. Calculations need full workings and correct units. Understand the production and properties of radioisotopes. Learn techniques used in nuclear medicine and imaging. Grasp the effects of radiation on living cells. Explore dose monitoring methods. These outcomes guide your study throughout the unit. Define radioisotope and radiopharmaceutical. Describe how technetium-99m, cobalt-60, and iodine-131 are produced. Include nuclear reactions and sources like reactors or cyclotrons. Use correct scientific terminology. This forms the foundation of your understanding. Describe radiological properties such as half-life and radiation type. Discuss biological targeting and uptake. Use the table provided in the brief. Link properties to diagnostic or therapeutic purposes. This knowledge is crucial for practical applications. State the function of a gamma camera. Explain how it works step by step. Include a clearly labeled diagram. Discuss components like the collimator, scintillation crystal, and detectors. This helps visualize its role in medical imaging. Compare thallium-201, xenon-133, and technetium-99m. Summarize their radiological and biological properties. Identify the required imaging equipment. Include one additional radioisotope of your choice. This comparison aids in understanding their unique uses. Identify appropriate treatment for each tumor type. Choose between therapeutic radionuclide, brachytherapy, or X-ray therapy. Justify each choice clearly. Link to the advantages of radiopharmaceuticals. This guides effective treatment decisions. Explain effects of alpha, beta, and gamma radiation on animal cells. Identify deterministic and stochastic effects. Describe methods of monitoring radiation dose. Explain how monitoring reduces deterministic effects. This is vital for ensuring safety in medical settings. Compare effects of radiation on somatic cells. Compare effects on germline cells. Explain short-term and long-term consequences. Use clear biological examples. This comparison highlights the varied impacts of radiation. Calculate number of decays per day from given activities. Calculate absorbed dose from energy and mass. Calculate equivalent dose using radiation weighting factors. Calculate effective dose using tissue weighting factors. Show full workings and units. Grade 1 requires accurate responses with correct calculations. Grade 2 demands very good explanations, reasoning, and accuracy. Grade 3 expects excellent depth, insight, and precision. Higher grades require full answers to all questions. Aim for excellence in every response. All work must be your own. Use Harvard referencing for sources and diagrams. Show all calculations clearly. Label diagrams accurately. Plagiarism and malpractice are not permitted. Utilize A-level physics textbooks. Refer to medical physics reference books. Explore OpenStax physics. Use tutor-provided materials. These resources support your learning journey. In conclusion, understanding pathogens helps us prevent disease through hygiene, vaccination, and public health measures, keeping communities safe. If you need any help, just WhatsApp 07484361688. Our team is always ready to assist. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to seeing you in the next session.